In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text box border color here in Canva. Now, if we click onto here, this is a text box, but unfortunately, this type of text box doesn't have the option to add a border. So to do this, we are going to utilize Canva's shapes. So if we come over here to elements, then come to shapes, we can click on see all, and we can use any one of these as a text box. Now for this example, I'm going to go with this square, and what we're going to do is just enlarge it just like this. And then if we see here, we have this little line. This means we can add our text. So let me just quickly put your text here, just like that. I'll just enlarge this as well, just like that. Now, as we can see, this text box is now blue. And there is no border. So we're going to come to border style, then we're going to choose one of the styles just here. Let's go with the solid one, and then we can increase that border weight as well by playing with this bar. Now let's put it around about there. To change the colour of this is really simple. We want to come to the black circle just here, and if we click on there, we have a few different options. If we click onto the plus icon, we can add a solid colour or even a gradient. But for this example, we'll go with a solid, and we can also add a hex colour code of any colour just here. Now we can also play around with this colour palette as well, choosing the colour that we want, just like that. Now if there's any photos in your canvas, Canva's going to pull the colours through just here, and we can simply click on one of them. Or we can even use the default colours down here, which are the solid colours. If we click on any one of these, it's going to change that border colour, and then we have a few different presets for gradients as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the text box border colour here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.